Welcome to all viewers and To the Point with IQ. It's a comprehensive series of import-export management with shipping for both professional and non-professional viewers. Today's topic is how international trade can survive under COVID-19. This is the first part of the topic of international trade financing and economics, which already been described on my first video. Before get start, just click the bell icon and subscribe the channel to get new upcoming videos on this channel. Question number 1. Why Bill Gates gave millions of dollars to WHO for the preparation of anti-COVID-19 vaccine? I think Bill Gates' intention towards pharmaceutical industry was pretty clear, especially after his very famous prediction about spreading of pandemic disease from China. My point of view is he knew just before anyone else that U.S. President Donald Trump looking to cut down the U.S. grant to WHO, which equivalent to around 25% of total WHO grant coming from different countries and NGOs throughout. That time was the best for him to enter into pharmaceutical business. Despite that, a man who ever known about their IT-based expertise, so how he could compensate his intention towards the pharmaceutical industry, the destiny creates the chance for him and he took it quite smartly. I take it as a smart work only. So, now this is the end of this video. There are numerous superfluous realities I have about the infiltration of COVID-19, but I commit myself once the understanding has established, just leave the topic, and this is the main SOPs of this channel, but this restriction is only for me. You can raise your questions right on your comment box, or by give an email. Thanks all of you for joining us. I hope you valued it very well. My top priority is to brand all impending videos more precise and of course, to the point. Click the bell icon and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. God bless you all.